actually wasn't able to make it today, but I just wanted to take this moment to acknowledge the fantastic work of Mackenzie Massey in the Arboretum Art Inventory. Unfortunately, again, she wasn't able to make it today. She's been doing a lot of fantastic work with it. So I just wanted to give her a moment to shine here. After that, we have coming up Ben Finley, and he's going to speak to us on the artistic engagement to highlight ecological restoration projects at the Arboretum.
Yeah, it was a long title. SoundBound is the other shorter title, which is colorful. This is my position here. What's that? Is that okay still? Okay. So yeah, clock is ticking, I guess. My name is Ben Finley, and I'm a PhD student in the Critical Studies and Improvisation program here at the University of Guelph. And my work here is largely around music festivals and creative music practices as sites of ecological and cultural regeneration and sustainability. And so the project I wanted to talk to you today is called SoundBound, and intentionally have a little bit of a screen break here for us, because I'd like to play just a little bit of music that relates to the kind of approaches that I'm going through here. So I'll just talk a little bit about what the project will kind of look like. It's planned to happen in the summer and in September, and the idea is that 5 musicians will kind of be in different sections of the Arboretum within a 10 to 15 minute kind of radius, and we're going to try to just engage with the land, connect with the land, try some interspecies kind of improvisations, do deep listening practices and reflections and conversations, and try to compose some music and improvise some music based on those relations. And it's really a gift to be here with y'all today, because this is a project that's very much a work in progress, and it's been really cool to hear about all the different activities that you're all up for, and hopefully maybe this SoundBound project can collaborate with some of the work that you're already doing. Some of the things I'm really interested in is how music might highlight ecological restoration projects, because I feel like music has such a strong connection for us between each other and between the land that we are in and the spaces that we're in, and sort of that reflection. So I'm interested in collaborating with other people here. I've talked to some people here already. I'm also really interested in challenging this ensemble as we try to engage with the land to engage in decolonization practices and respect and learn from the traditional ecological knowledges of indigenous folks here and traditional guardians of the land as we try to engage in these interactions and processes. So I have a lot more to say about what the event will look like. It'll be in here, which is exciting, and people will go on little pod walks with different environmental knowledge holders, and then they'll come back here for some of the music that has been created over the past few months by being here. So that's the idea. So 2 minutes left. So I'd like to play just a little bit of something that came today, just thinking about the air and the kind of cool spring air this morning, and I think even just watching some of the snow come down throughout different periods of time, and then the rain, and just that feeling of refreshment of the air on a day like today. I just wanted to play something around.
Bye.